Maggie, wave hi to your fans.
Can you say hello?
Say hi, Maggie.
Wave hi to Aunt Jenny.
I think you're born going home.
Come on, your fans want to see ya.
Hey, 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 over here. Come on. Whoa, whoa.
We're so mean.
That was just silly.
Does it have sound?
We were all just kind of laughing at you.
Poor child.
This is the real Maggie. Terror.
I wanted to save those timeless moments. Maggie. Maggie.
All right, Maggie, wave.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Get it. Kick it, kick it, kick it. Good girl, good girl. Look at her drawing.
And she has no interest.
And she's off. Come on.
All right, everybody say hi. Albert, Kevin.
Go to Aunt Jenny. Come on.
Maggie, come get the camera. Oh. All right. Bye for now, everyone.